Hey all, it's Matt from Style Factory, your go-to site for e-commerce and web design advice. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access a special 3-month version of the Shopify trial that most new merchants don't know exists. Let's dive straight in. If you're thinking about starting a Shopify store, you've probably heard about its standard 3-day free trial. This is useful for getting a feel for the platform, but it has a big limitation. It doesn't let you put a store live or accept payments. But here's the part many people miss. There's another Shopify trial, a much more generous one, that gives you 3 full months access with the option to build a fully operational store. And although this extended trial isn't entirely free, it costs just $1 per month. For new store owners, that's a very attractive offer. You're effectively getting around $120 worth of Shopify access for the price of a coffee. So, how do you get this extended trial? Let me walk you through the steps involved. Step 1. Click our special partner link. Because Style Factory is an official Shopify affiliate partner, we can give our viewers a special link that provides direct access to its extended trial. I've put this in the video description, and it's on screen now too. Step 2. Enter your email address. The next step is to enter your email address into the box provided. You'll then be asked a few onboarding questions. Step 3. Enter your card details. Finally, you'll be asked for your payment details. Entering them unlocks the extended trial. Now, doing this can feel like a hurdle, but the key thing to remember here is this. During your extended trial, you're only charged $1 per month, and you can cancel anytime before a full subscription kicks in. Once this step is complete, your 3-month trial is activated. And that's it. You now have full access to Shopify for the next 3 months, giving you plenty of time to build, test, and launch your store properly. If you need the special Style Factory trial link again, it's in the description and on screen now. Before you go, we'd really appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe or follow wherever you're watching. That way, you'll get easy access to all our e-commerce tips, platform comparisons, and exclusive offers. And if you have any questions about the Shopify $1 trial, feel free to drop them in the comments. We read them all and we'll do our best to help.